Wake up late. Master these messy updos in minutes for a chic look. Voluminous Top Knot. This high-volume bun instantly elevates fine hair, creating an illusion of thickness perfect for power meetings. Don't forget to comment on your favorite style number below. Relaxed Low Chignon. Ideal for long, thick hair. This loose chignon is effortless elegance that transitions perfectly from desk to dinner. Messy side braid into bun. A stylish choice for medium lengths. The side braid adds character before gathering into a relaxed, stylish bun. Textured halo braid updo. Perfect for curly or wavy textures. This halo braid creates a romantic frame for the face with minimal effort.
Effortless Updo.
The ultimate time saver for all hair types. A quick twist and clip creates a cool, contemporary messy look. Undone Fishtail Bun. Gives fine and medium hair incredible texture, turning a simple fishtail into a loose, stylish masterpiece. Don't forget to comment on your favorite style number below. Messy high pony with volume. A dynamic choice for thick, long hair, utilizing natural volume to create a high, bouncy, and textured ponytail. Loose twisted updo. Perfect for adding volume to thinner hair. This simple twist and pin technique creates an elegant, textured bun. Messy top knot with bangs. Ideal for framing the face, this stylish top knot looks effortless when paired with textured, unkept bangs. Textured low bun with scarf. An instant style upgrade for any hair type. A colorful scarf adds flair to a simple, messy low bun. Relaxed boho chignon. Adds effortless texture to natural waves. The loose chignon at the nape creates a soft, romantic boho look. Don't forget to comment on your favorite style number below. Voluminous messy high bun. The perfect everyday look for medium to thick hair, creating maximum height and natural texture with ease. Texturized Half-Up Bun. Ideal for long hair, this versatile style keeps hair off the face while showcasing natural waves in a textured half-up knot. Undone Twisted Side Bun. Gives fine hair amazing body. A simple twist from one side merges into a loose, stylish side bun at the nape. Messy Space Buns Updo. A fun, youthful option for natural curls or waves, creating two symmetrical, textured top knots effortlessly. Textured French Twist Bun. Ideal for long, thick hair. This modern take on the classic twist creates an undone, textured masterpiece. Don't forget to comment on your favorite style number below. Relaxed Fishtail Crown Updo. Perfect for curly or wavy hair. The loose fishtail braid creates a beautiful, textured halo effect. Effortless Twisted Low Bun. Gives amazing volume to natural curls. A simple twist gathers all curls into a textured, low messy knot. Messy boho half-up twist. Ideal for long, natural waves. Simple twists from the temples create a relaxed, textured half-up look. Voluminous messy top knot. An ultimate everyday style for natural, textured hair, maximizing volume and height in a beautiful messy bun.